All right, guys, I'm doing a follow-up video from this morning's video because there's just so much going on with the Growth Accelerator, delayed credits, how all of these things integrate and work together. So, since some things have occurred throughout the day, I wanted to go ahead and log a video report of that as well. But it's interesting to me, guys, that the very thing that's really making us money is Bitcoin, but nobody's interested in Bitcoin. I look at the counts on some of my videos, and this Bitness crap is still getting like close to 500 views, whereas, we talk about the DCS wallets get 20, 50 views or something like that. But hey, that just goes to show that people like to run after things where they lose their money. All right, so, but let's jump over to this wallet, guys. All right, and see that here is the latest stats. So you can pick it back on the video that I did this morning, but you guys may recall that throughout the payout today, it paid both in Bitcoin and credits. So you guys may recall that the amount of credits had increased. Well, I am going to show you what happened throughout the day. So we know, again, and I'm just revisit some things. This was paid out in credits, so we received that amount in credits this morning from that payout. But those things, as I mentioned previously, were put on the market for other buy orders. So if I come out here to credit sold, we're going to see that a portion of those credits were sold off at a 37.5% discount, and it was submitted automatically by campaign 2. Okay, now don't trip, guys, because it's selling this position at a 37.5% discount because it's only selling a small portion of what you received. And again, this goes back to you receiving an overall 2% on your Bitcoin, as I talked about in the forum. Okay, and we're going to break these numbers down really quickly as well. And it didn't sell that 0.000066 because keep in mind that credits are converting. So when it comes time to make the sale of those credits you received at a 20% discount, then it's going to sell the remaining of those once it gets the chance to do so, which it did. Now, in regards to the marketplace purchases, keep in mind that these purchases were made, I think we made like 0.0002, which one was it? It was on the 8th. It started on the 8th. So you guys remember from the previous video, these three purchases were made in the marketplace automatically. And that's the 0.00015, 0.00012, 0.00012. And this, of course, equates to the amount of credits that have been received in this campaign. And note, guys, that it does not automatically sell this. And you don't want the system to sell this because you acquire these credits at a much lower discount. It's only going to sell the credits that you received from the delayed credits feature, where you get it at a 20% plus discount, right? So it never is going to try to sell something at a loss. Okay, so with that in mind, let's run these numbers again, and this is just going to validate the stats that I've given to you. And we will look at, now you won't be able to do this every time because this is just the first day it happened, but I know that I am submitting $38.72 a day in this campaign. And when I come over here and look at the amount of Bitcoin I've received from this, is $39.58. It is definitely greater than that, but we're going to say how much greater. Okay, and let's see what that percentage is. 39.58 minus this 38.72, 38.72, and typically we would expect a percentage of 2% by default, but keep in mind that credits do convert. And then we're going to divide that net earnings in Bitcoin by that 38.72. And we get that 2.22%. Why is it over 2%? Because those credits were converting at a 1-to-1 ratio. And this sale of credits actually occurred sometime this morning, guys. Yeah, about 9 o'clock this morning. So there was another delayed credits or another growth accelerator process to say, hey, in order for me to process this, this person or this wallet needs to purchase some more credits from the marketplace. And these credits were just sitting out here readily available, and they went out and purchased those. So that satisfied the buyer. It satisfied you because you wanted to, or me in this case, because I wanted to get my Bitcoin faster, and it kicked out a nice little return for the ecosystem as well. Okay, so I just wanted to follow up on that, and the activity isn't done for the night, guys, right? That's just one instance of what occurred. Later on tonight, it will go through the process of saying, hey, anybody that wants to have a buy order out there, and that actually might have happened, but I don't have a wallet that I can demonstrate that on. But if you guys had any buy orders out there, you may have seen it triggered by now to where some other sale offers were picked up. And if none of those credits get paid out throughout the day, you might see some 27.5% discounts being displayed in the marketplace. And I'm gonna just jump over there real quick just to see. Nope, that's not the case right now. So it's possible that it can happen, but no guarantees, guys. All right, guys, that previous clip you just saw, I recorded last night. If you just check the timestamp down there, that'll show you the exact time that the recording occurred. And this morning, I figured instead of just releasing that video like that, I'll just do a quick update on where we are today, because again, this system is very dynamic. It's always moving. So here we are at 5:30 something this morning, the day after, and just like clockwork, guys, the delayed credits automation is paying out, and it paid out again in credits. So got that payout this morning, received that in Bitcoin, and again got another payout in credits this morning to the tune of the same thing I did yesterday, 0.000066. Now let's see what happened, considering what you guys just saw in that previous clip, to where after today's payout, we are once again above that in credits. And as we saw in the previous clip, it kicks out 2% whenever you get paid out in credits like this. Not a big deal, because when you're auto selling your credits, you're still getting that payout in Bitcoin of 2%. And you saw how quickly it sold yesterday when it was listed. So credits sold, you know, that was at 9 o'clock in the morning. So it had pretty much throughout the rest of the day to sell those credits, and then ultimately at the end. But all of the credits that were listed yesterday were sold off, and it's just a rinse and repeat, guys. This is just a steady way to continuously increase your Bitcoin holdings regardless of what happens. All right, guys, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up, and let me look around, make sure there's nothing else I need to demonstrate. Let's see here on my wager credits. Oh, and if you guys ever wondering what your status of the wager credits is, because I am playing wager credits here, you can just go out to the wager credits page and see how many times you've played, see how many times you've won, and the amount that you played and the amount that you've won. So in this wallet here, I'm only down about $4, close to $5 or something like that. But the cool thing is that number one, it's supporting the system, and number two, I have the potential to actually get above that. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.